Morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. Today we are from Group 7. Will be our discussion about environment. Are hoping that you can follow our presentation for our discussion late. Environmental definition. The environment is the unity of space with all objects, resource, energy, condition, and living creatures, including human and their behavior, which influence nature itself, the continuity of life, and the welfare of human and other living creatures according to law number 23 of 1197. Meanwhile, according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, the term environment can be interpreted as an area and all the parts contained in that surround human and influence the development of human life. An environment consists of a combination of physical conditions which include the condition of natural resources such as air, soil, air, solar energy, minerals, and flora and fauna that grow on land and in the ocean.
Types of environment. A. Environment based on the formation process. The environment based on the formation process is divided into natural environment and artificial environment. Number 1. Natural environment. The natural environment is an environment that is formed as a result of dynamic natural processes, meaning that there is no human intention in this formation. Number 2, artificial environment. The artificial environment is an environment whose purpose is to fulfill the unlimited number of human desires and needs. B. Environment based on its forming elements. Types of environments based on the elements that form it are divided into two, namely biotic and abiotic environments. Number 1, biotic environment. The biotic environment is an environment whose components consist of environmental components consisting of living things or organisms on the surface of the earth. Biotic environmental components consist of humans, animals, and plants. Number 2, abiotic environment. An abiotic environment is an environment whose components consist of abiotic or non-living components, namely components consisting of objects that are not living things and exist in the surrounding environment. The abiotic environment consists of temperature, air, salt, sunlight, pH levels, salinity levels.
Environmental benefits. The environment has various benefits and functions, including the first, where living things live, of course. The most important environmental benefit is as a place to live. In the environment, living creatures can interact, rest, and even protect themselves. The second, place to carry out activities. The environment is used as a place to socialize. This is because humans live with other humans, so they have to maintain relationship with each other. In the environment, humans will interact such as fulfilling life needs and developing culture or other things. And animal and plants can also carry out many activities in the environment. The examples include plants that grow in an environment. The third, place to forage. The main place where living creatures look for food is the environment. In the environment, there are producers. These producers will provide food sources. for the consumers. That's all presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.